about communication skills. First of all, communication is an active art. It means communicate. Communicate or communicate. It means to share. Communication process. Standard, message, and receiver or recipient. If sender got an idea, like any picture or a camcording, channel or media. Start for receiver. Receiver deposits and feedback to sender. Communication delays. First one is verbal. Second one is non-verbal. And third one is visual. And then verbal is divided into two parts. First one is oral. Communication. Second one is written communication. All communication is to speak or conversation between two men, like between face to face. Written means email, message or text. And non-verbal means body language or face to face. Visible means eye to eye contact.